Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So what we're doing right now is I'm running the truck out. This is gonna be a little bit different video today, but I'm running the truck out to drop it off on a dirt road out by a landing, and this is what we're gonna end up at. And then I'm gonna go back into town with my ride. I got like 2 or 3 guys out here waiting for me. They're gonna grab me and take me back to the kayaks, and we're gonna kayak down the river to this landing. So stay tuned.
David's like, what? Big difference. Kayaks are just like having a good time.
So beautiful out here today.
This is really effective. Like the bottom of some of the things you know, but the other one is like really really wide. Like I wouldn't get stuck.
Sometimes you just need to get out somewhere and clear your head after stuff happens, you know, if you had a rough day or whatever. Can't beat this. This is one of the reasons I moved to northern Minnesota. This is right here in my backyard. No bugs, a little bit of a breeze. Don't even have to paddle down the river. It's just pushing me. Doesn't get any better than this. You can hear the rapids. Got a bunch of us out here being followed by a giant zebra.
What up? You like my Zeppelin? No. She's hot. And she's freaking heavy because she pulls me backwards if I don't roll.
What took you so long?
Talking.
Well, go figure.
I've got some big ass fucking...
Courtney and Magnet are full.
Now his name's Bob. His name's Bob now?
No, his name's Zeppelin. Her name
Oh.
is Her.
Oh, it's a
name is
her.
Zeppelin. When I get mad at her, her name is Magnus. She's a fucking stupid bitch. She was supposed to make this easier, and she's not. Now I gotta attach it to her ass. She must stink though, I see a dead ass fly on her butt.
One was fucking Dan Wickland with Mason.
So right now we're getting ready to go through the rapids. There's a part right here. It goes around in a circle right here, but then the river goes that way. You can go real shallow, but a lot of times the ladies, you get stuck right here and we got to drag them out. And the guys always go on this side because it's brutal. It gets pretty brutal through there. So I think that's the way we're going to go. And then we'll let the women's kind of skate through and we'll come back and get them. So we're like, I guess about 4 miles down the river right now. It's been a long day. It's starting to get kind of late. Clouds are coming over. It's absolutely beautiful right now. And I'll show you on this side, and then we still have a long ways to go. So I'm way ahead of everybody else. They're way down there around that corner. So I'm just chilling, waiting on them. Just floating down the river. It's so nice right now. listening to the birds chirping, the rapids. Anyways, I want to get out of here. I'm going to cut this video short. I appreciate you guys watching. Later.